one knows me in this neighborhood, but beyond the shadows of the lasting darkness, you are there. You've always been there. The magic of your smile is able to change this countlessly repeated scenery and these ordinary days. When I'm lost in yesterday, unaware of what to say, your compassion pours on me. With all your love I can see. I always wanted to embrace your love forever. With you always by my side, holding me. I bumped into you, and before I even knew, our story had just started to begin.